Hey there! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy way to back up your iPhone contacts to iCloud. This ensures your data is safe and can be synced across devices. But what if your contacts aren't syncing? We've got a solution: backing up to your PC. Let's get started. Part 1. How to back up iPhone contacts to iCloud. Method 1. Sync iPhone contacts to iCloud. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Select iCloud and toggle on Contacts. When prompted, tap Merge to sync your iPhone contacts with iCloud. Method 2. Back up iPhone contacts to iCloud. Launch the Settings app, tap on your name, and select iCloud. Select iCloud Backup and toggle it on. Tap Backup now. Part 2. How to restore contacts from iCloud backup to iPhone. On the target iPhone, go to Settings, your name, iCloud. Toggle Contacts off and on, then tap Merge to restore contacts from iCloud. If you're importing contacts to an iCloud account with another Apple ID, on your computer, visit iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Select Contacts, choose the ones to export, and click Settings Export VCard. Import the VCard to your iPhone to complete. Part 3. An easier way to back up iPhone contacts. iCloud's 5 GB limit can fill up quickly. Use Mobikin Assistant for iOS to securely back up iPhone contacts to your computer without limits. Step 1. Install and open Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Connect your iPhone via USB, unlock it, and tap Trust. Step 2. Click Contacts in the sidebar to scan and preview all contacts on your iPhone. Step 3. Select Contacts, click Export, choose a format, and save them to your computer.